On today's episode of LiveLeanTV, I'm diving into the research to uncover what is gelatin powder, including the health benefits, how to use it, and more. Is gelatin powder healthy for you and your specific needs, or is it just a waste of money? Also, is collagen powder better than gelatin powder? Let's find out. This is another episode in our series where I'm giving you a quick, science-backed overview of popular supplements. The goal is to cut through all the marketing BS to help you make healthier decisions while saving you time and money. To do this, I'll quickly answer the most frequently asked questions by diving into the research, then articulating the findings in an easy-to-understand format. To be respectful of your time, I'll share the timestamps to each answer in the description below. So before we jump in, let me know if you have ever tried gelatin powder in the comments below. So with that said, let's jump right into it. What is gelatin powder and what is it made of? Gelatin powder is a flavorless, odorless, and colorless protein derived from collagen that is found in animal bones, skin, and connective tissue. It is made from boiling animal parts, typically from pigs or cows, in water. The collagen is extracted, purified, then dried to form a gelatin powder. Since gelatin is 98 to 99% protein, it is rich in amino acids, especially glycine and proline. And gelatin powder is widely used in cooking for its gelling properties. And it's also gaining popularity as a dietary supplement due to its potential benefits for joint, skin, and gut health. What is the difference between gelatin powder and collagen powder? Since gelatin comes from collagen, both gelatin powder and collagen powder contain the same amino acids, thus have very similar health benefits. If you're wondering if you should supplement with gelatin powder or collagen powder, the key difference comes down to how you intend to use it. Gelatin powder is mostly used as a gelling agent in cooking, while collagen powder is mostly used as a nutritional supplement. When mixed with warm liquids, gelatin powder gels into a texture similar to jelly, thus making it ideal to add as a thickening agent to recipes. On the other hand, collagen powder dissolves easily in hot and cold liquids, thus making it a great supplement to add to drinks. Is gelatin powder good for joint health? Gelatin is derived from collagen. So collagen is rich in the structural proteins found in the connective tissues of the joints, thus providing the essential building blocks for cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. This is essential for maintaining flexible, mobile, and healthy joints while also reducing joint pain and stiffness. Ultimately, including gelatin in your diet may contribute to overall joint health. However, individual responses can vary. Is gelatin powder good for hair and nail growth? The collagen in gelatin provides essential nutrients to support the overall health and structure for hair and nail growth. This helps strengthen hair follicles and improve nail strength and appearance. While more research is needed to establish specific benefits, including gelatin as part of a healthy diet may support the natural growth and strength of hair and nails. Is gelatin powder good for skin? Gelatin powder may also be good for skin. The collagen in gelatin contains the essential amino acid glycine and proline. These amino acids play a role in increasing collagen density, thus helping to maintain skin elasticity, hydration, and firmness while reducing the overall appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It may also support the production of skin cells, resulting in a smoother and more youthful complexion. When it comes to skincare, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and follow a skincare routine. Is gelatin powder good for bones? Gelatin provides essential nutrients such as calcium and phosphorus, which are important for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Some studies suggest that collagen found in gelatin may positively impact bone health by supporting bone density and preventing bone loss. Even though more research is needed for conclusive evidence, including gelatin in your diet may contribute to overall bone health, especially when combined with a well-rounded diet rich in essential nutrients such as calcium and vitamin D. Is gelatin powder good for gut health? The amino acids in gelatin, specifically glycine and proline, support gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, improving digestion, and reducing inflammation in the digestive tract. Collagen may also support the intestinal barrier and mucosal lining, which play a role in maintaining the health of the gut lining and potentially aiding in the treatment of leaky gut. Does gelatin help improve sleep quality? Gelatin contains the amino acid glycine, which has been shown to improve sleep quality by promoting relaxation and reducing anxieties. Some studies suggest glycine acts as a calming neurotransmitter in the brain, which potentially improves overall sleep quality by reducing the time it takes to fall asleep. Incorporating gelatin into your diet may contribute to a better night's sleep, but individual responses can vary. Is gelatin powder good for lean muscle growth and recovery? Even though gelatin is 98 to 99% protein, it is not considered a complete protein source since it does not contain a high dose of all the essential amino acids. So whey or egg protein powders contain complete amino acid profiles, therefore they are typically more effective for optimizing muscle protein synthesis and lean muscle growth. Does gelatin powder help you lose weight? While gelatin powder itself is not a direct weight loss aid, it can fit into an overall weight loss plan. Gelatin is a low-calorie protein source that may promote satiety, therefore helping you feel fuller for longer, thus reducing your appetite. However, it's important to note that weight loss is ultimately achieved through a combination of diet, exercise, and lifestyle factors. Therefore, relying solely on gelatin is not a solution for weight loss. How do you use gelatin powder? Unlike collagen powder, which can be quickly consumed by simply adding it to hot or cold drinks, gelatin powder is mainly used in cooking and baking recipes. Gelatin powder is often used as a thickener to make homemade soups, sauces, pudding, jello, gummies, and protein bars. And you can also add it to smoothies. Is gelatin halal or haram, and is it vegetarian? Gelatin is typically made from animal sources, so it may not be suitable for vegan and vegetarians or those following halal or kosher diets. However, there are vegetarian and halal certified gelatin alternatives available made from plant-based sources like agar-agar or carrageenan. Bottom line, to answer the question, is gelatin powder healthy for you or is it just a waste of money? It all comes down to your personal needs. Even though more research is needed to establish definitive conclusions, current research on gelatin and collagen powder is promising, especially if you're looking to improve gut and digestion health, joint health, and healthy skin, hair, and nails. If you're looking to use it for cooking, I would recommend going with gelatin powder. You can find affordable gelatin powder options on Amazon, and I'll include a link in the description below. However, if you're looking for a quick and easy to consume supplement that you can add to drinks, I would recommend collagen powder. And Jessica and I have been using these collagen peptides from Earth Nutri. You can use coupon code LiveLeanTV25 to save 25% off your order. I'll include a link and the coupon code in the description below. That's all for today's quick overview on gelatin powder. In the comment section below, tell me, have you ever used gelatin powder or collagen powder? If so, which brand do you use? If you found this information helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights on optimizing your health and fitness. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be